Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAU/USD price analysis video. So from the chart we can say that the situation for gold price seems more favorable as we enter in the third week of the new year. Analysts weigh the implication of potential monetary policy mistake as the Federal Reserve turns more hawkish amid the latest inflation data. The threat of inflation is finally driving the gold. The two key pieces of information keeping gold market risk free is actually inflation and the retail sales. US inflation rose 7% over the past 12 months, reaching its highest level since 1982 in December. On the other hand, retail sales fell 1.9%. We can say that this is the sharpest in 10 months, and it appears that the two main drivers for gold will be the US dollar, that is DXY index, and the bond yield chart. So from the chart we can say that gold price is not able to we can say break out the recent high, these high level, but still the things are looking pretty smooth at this level, and we can say from this level that gold is watching at DXY and waiting for the next move on DXY chart. Also, Europe's recovery and strengthening of euro could play a crucial role in determining the dollar side. So there are many conflicting views as to where the dollar is going. We may be starting to see a more reasonable recovery in the global economy that will create potential growth in Europe and further weaken the dollar. And we can say that the euro growth parabola has been postponed from 2021 to 2022. So we have to keep an eye on dollar chart and euro chart also. And from the price action movement we can say from here that this level, that is level of 1827, that we have recently seen, that is acting as a major resistance toward the buying side, and it is keeping the gold below to next major resistance of 1831 price zone, and currently this level, that is at around 1815, let me write it here, 1815 and 1812 is a major level to watch in intraday level. As you can see that this level is acting as a major support, and we already discussed this in live session in Telegram channel. And currently on 4 hour this price zone is acting as a major resistance, and if gold is able to hold on this level, we can expect a further rise of price toward the retest, or you can say breakout of this level might happen in coming trading sessions. But we have to keep on eye on the DXY chart as well, and if it is not able to hold on this level and it might break down this level for short entry, we can expect a short entry only after the breakout of 1812 zone toward the price zone of 1808 zone. But from the current price movement scenario we can say that this zone is currently acting as a major support zone for gold. And if we look over to the COT data, here we see an unusual phenomenon. As you look if you look over to gold gold COT data in managed money, the net long position of managed money have decreased, as you can see from these numbers compared to previous week. However, the open interest, if you look over to open interest, I will share the data in Telegram channel. The sum of all the current gold contract has increased. This means that more you can say future were concluded within the trades graph overall. So open interest is showing some other data compared to this COT data, but COT data is bearish for gold. From this data we can say, but OI, if we look at open interest data, we can say that money is flowing in the calls of future calls for gold contract. I will share the detail in Telegram channel. And if we look at the dollar chart on day time frame, as you can see from here, as you can see that this previously this trend line is was acting as support, and now after the breakdown of this trend line, currently gold is retesting this, DXY is retesting this trend line. And if this trend line act as a resistance, we can expect a further you can say fall of dollar toward the lower level. So the lower levels are here. This level currently, as you can see, this level is acting as resistance toward the buying side in DXY chart. But if it is acting as, or this level act as a strong resistance, then we can expect a decline toward the lower price or this support zone. So we have to keep an eye on the DXY chart as well for the movement on gold chart. We will discuss more about these level in Telegram channel in live trading session. But for next week we have to keep an eye on these level. If it is able to break out these level, then we can expect a further rise of price. But if it is not able to you can say, if it is not able to hold on this level, then we can expect, or we can take short entry toward the psychological barrier of 1800 and further toward the level of 1790292 zone. But currently this level is holding very well, and we can expect a further rise of price, or we will see how price move in live trading sessions. So thank you and good luck.